If a baby did not receive a nurturing environment throughout their childhood and formative years, the brain grows differently. If you could just sort of give an overview of how the brain ends up being wired differently with regards to, you talked about the amygdala and then also the hippocampus, the prefrontal cortex, it grows differently. Neuroplasticity can rebuild it back to a more neutral and calm state as an adult through exercises.
Yes, I mean, this is the thing. The prefrontal cortex is to do, it's like a higher center. It's to do with executive function. It's to do with regulation. So, for example, very simply, if you get a feeling of fear or a feeling of anxiety, the prefrontal cortex, it's your consciousness, and your consciousness says, well, hang on, there's nothing actually here that I need to be frightened of. That's your prefrontal cortex engaging and giving you a sense of context and actually giving you a sense of regulation so you can self-regulate. And actually, every time we learn something new, we are creating synaptic connections. So our brain is wiring itself up. So certain parts of our temporal lobes of our brain, when we learn something new, are changing. So for example, if you have a chronic sense of anxiety, this has been shown very clearly, the amygdala literally grows and the hippocampus, which gives you that context to any kind of process of thinking, actually shrinks. Cortisol, which is a stress hormone from the adrenal cortex, actually makes the hippocampus shrink as well. So what can you do to change and remodel the brain? Well, actually, this is the thing. So you start with a process of working when you're in an acute anxious state. But actually the really hard work is how you set up a day-to-day practice. So you have to develop a practice for yourself, which you can do every day, which has certain elements in which can then work to slowly remodel your brain and take you from an anxious state to a state of peace, where you come from a place of potential stillness and peace. And in that place, the brain can remodel itself, yeah? And that is really a real thing. You know, it's amazing, really. You wouldn't think so, but it actually is.